Hi guys, good evening. We are going home right now, and as you can see, there are people here, there. I mean there. Yes, and they are also an employee. Yes, employees in QQ English. Yes, and the weather right now kinda it is the air is very cold, so it might rain later. Yes, and I'm passing this microphone to Zamba right now.
Hello! Sound check. Day ko, kuya naman kaya ni Dayo. Go! Back to Antonius.
Hello guys, tapos na po sila magsalita. No, I don't know how to speak English. This one. Ano masasabi mo sa mga panahon ngayon?
These days, how like what? Like what? Like what? Oh, yes. So here in Cebu, so we are experiencing earthquake in the past days. Oh, up until now. Yes, and the most kasi tawagan ako ng affected. Yes, the most affected area or place is somewhere in northern Cebu. Yes, and we are also affected there because I am from Bourbon, Cebu, but I am happy because my family were are safe there. Yes, and yes, I can say that this calamity is yes causing so much trauma to my mother because she is old now. She is senior citizen. Citizen. Yeah, and when she felt that her that the house is like she is 60 years old. Yeah, and if she feel that the house is like moving, or yes, then she will get nervous. Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo. Ha? Ha?
The speaker actually.
Yes. Kahit na nadudugo ang puso, kung sakaling iwanan ka niya. Mamari ka na? Ano ba? Huwag kang mag-alala. May bakit ba hindi ka na kilala ng ako'y malaya pa? Ikaw. At hindi ngayon ang puso ko'y may kapiling na. Bakit ba hindi ka na kilala ng ako'y virgin pa? Kawawa naman. Kapin mo. Sud sa bag, di mo ba?
Okay. Yan lang po, nagtatapos ang ating kwentuhang kay umagang kay ganda. Ayan na.